the snow-covered mountain of the Himalayas above Dharamshala. It's been a dream for many years for me to come experience Dharamshala. And I came at a time where the Dalai Lama is giving 2 days of Dharma talk on my favorite subject, how to develop the bodhicitta, how to develop a warm heart of loving kindness. It was truly an honor to sit with thousands of people, hundreds of monks and nuns, learning the precious Dharma, how to develop a warm heart for oneself and for the benefit of humanity. Namaskar. My name is Henry Shirikano. I just had 2 wonderful days where the Dalai Lama spoke in this room in Dharamshala, India, about Dharma, especially focusing on the process of developing the bodhicitta, how to develop love, kindness, compassion for oneself and humanity. In other words, how to have a warm heart. Even for the animals, the Dalai Lama mentioned. It was a once-in-a-lifetime experience to sit here with thousands of monks, nuns, and lay Buddhist people. You could feel the love that they have for their spiritual leader, His Holiness the Dalai Lama. I hope that this experience will enrich my life, enrich my practice for the rest of my life. Namaskar.
This bodhicitta is something that is worth our reverence and homage. So with this bodhicitta, even if someone harms or hurts you, so the person with bodhicitta doesn't retaliate, but think of bringing benefit to the perpetrator, and therefore in the world. Also, if you have a good heart, then that's a source of our happiness and joy.
Excuse me, you are blocking the way.
This is the Shiva temple of Dharamshala. This Shiva temple has been here for hundreds of years. There's many Shiva story related to this part of India. This is the Murti, the statue inside the Shiva temple. It is a form of Shiva, but it also looks like Subramanyam, Kartikeya, the son of Shiva. Beautiful waterfalls of Dharamshala. The water from the waterfall filled this pool. When it's sunny, it's full of people. Namaskar. Now regarding the recent event where His Holiness the Dalai Lama asked a boy to suck his tongue, an event that caused a scandal around the world. Many people think that the Dalai Lama had become senile. It is now my opinion that the Dalai Lama made a mistake. He did apologize to the boy. He did apologize to his family. The Dalai Lama also make mistake. But sitting here for 2 days, listening to his Dharma talk, it is obvious to me that His Holiness the Dalai Lama has a mind that is very clear, that is very bright. He is a spiritual leader that is loved and respected by millions of people around the world. Long life His Holiness the Dalai Lama.